Good day, everyone. Learn how to uninstall apps on Windows 11. I'll tell you two best ways to do so. And after watching this tutorial, you will never ever have issues to install any of the apps in Windows 11. Trust me. So the very first process is do a right click in the start icon, the first method, and then go to settings and then we will go to apps. And here you will find the very first option called installed apps. You will find all the apps right here. So let's say if you want to uninstall Google Chrome, you can click on next three dots like this, and you can uninstall it. All right. You can also repair if you want, if you get an option, advanced option, and you can repair it, reset or repair it. So that's a completely different thing. You know how to uninstall by the first method. Now the second method is to do a right click in the start icon and click on run and type appwiz.cpl, appwiz dot cpl, and I'll click on OK, and it will open the option uninstall or change a program. Now, this method will only uninstall whatever you have installed on your computer. And if you want to uninstall pre-installed apps, you can do by the first method. So now you know the two methods. This is the second method is a evergreen method if you have installed something and you want to uninstall it. All right. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please leave a comment that yes, this is helpful and has helped you. I'll be glad if you do so. And please hit the like and subscribe. I'll be waiting for your comments because your comments really motivate me, and I'll be glad. I'll be waiting. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care, guys. Bye bye.